For centuries, scent was captured through smoke, water, and steam, but in 14th century Europe, perfume began to change. By the late Middle Ages, alchemists had learned how to distill alcohol. They called it aqua vita, the water of life, believed to carry not only scent, but vitality itself. Unlike water, alcohol could dissolve scent and preserve it. It held fragrance longer, stronger, clearer. According to legend, a fragrance was created for Queen Elizabeth of Hungary, not created for luxury, but for healing, for renewal. She was known as a cultivated and health-conscious ruler, interested in natural remedies and healing practices. Historical records confirm the existence of a fragrance known as Hungary Water. It was among the first scented preparations made with distilled alcohol. Its main ingredient was rosemary, valued for both its aroma and medicinal properties. According to legend, the formula was prepared by a monk or alchemist for the queen. The scent was said to restore her vitality and beauty. Whether myth or truth, the fragrance quickly spread across Europe. What made Hungary Water revolutionary was not the ingredients alone, but the method. Alcohol allowed scent to be stabilized, stored, and shared. For the first time, perfume became something personal. Part history, part legend. Hungary Water became the bridge between ancient ritual and modern perfume.